Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Elvis Mokwele, known as Dr. Tlemza. Originated in South Africa, currently living in Pretoria, Sunnyside. My channel is about life talks, the struggle to success, entertainment and talent development. Hope you do subscribe, hit the bell button next to subscribe and select all to get notifications every time I upload my videos and watch them as I share and navigate the journey of life. Yes.
Love of God, peace and joy may follow you.
Yes, love of God, peace and joy may follow you.
So you can also follow us on our media platforms, which is Instagram at Dr. Tlemza, Twitter at Dr. Tlemza, Facebook at Dr. Tlemza Makhubele.
Yes, Facebook on Dr. Tlemi Makhubele. Yeah, that's correct.
Tlemi Makhubele, not Tlemza. Tlemi Makhubele.
Yeah. So I'm with my brother here, Blessing. The other name is
Brahmael.
Is Brahmael the other name? E2, yes, E2.
No.
And I'm with Pearl. Hi Pearl, how are you? And I'm with my younger brother here. Come, brother. I want to see you. Thank you guys for watching our channel. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for your support. May God bless you all. We love you so much. Stick with us, stay with the Animano YouTube channel. And then what else?
Stay safe.
Stay safe.
Corona, no.
But I benefit him more.
So please subscribe and you'll learn about life.
Guys, stay safe, stay at home, guys. This is one of the things that are gonna entertain you when you're at home, staying away from Corona. See, if you're at home, you're safe, guys.
Yeah, guys, you see, here's our masks. Mine, you see the beautiful one. The other one. You see, so we've got our masks here. Oh, you want to? let me put mine. You see, wonderful, so great. I mean to say, nice. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Stay connected.
Guys, as our first video was talking about this channel thing, this one is talking about like the topics. Like we're gonna talk about life as youth and funny kutazana stuff of Ibtomi, and we're gonna entertain you guys a lot, right?
Oh, what was so good? Yes, that's speed. No, is it baswa repana? Youth gossips, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then as youth, bjalega muswa o tshwanjere o direng bjalega muswa o tshwanjere o ska diraeng ka bjalega muswa and bjalega a Christian, right? Yeah, so this channel is created to
make the differentiate.
Even if as one am Christ but o tshwanjere o phile o ya ga boswa cause ka sijo sa rena rena le dilo je re tshwanjere re di dire rena le dilo je tshwanjere a re di a re meluro dia bjalega baswa ke yeah, so it's Shangan Valley channel yes, so channel dunsa vantshwa vutomi va dyondzisa ku ri hi swihi leswi fanele ku va swi endla hi swihi leswi vo ka va nga faneleki ku swi endla like na mhaka ku jahelela ku teka wa ha ri ntsongo na mhaka ku jahelela kumbe ku nwa mabyala wa ha ri ntsongo na ku jahelela vukati wa ha ri ntsongo hi swihi leswi u fanele ku swi endla na leswi u nga swi fanele ku nga swi endli and many more. Yeah, this channel, guys. Please follow us, learn a lot, follow us, and then do subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe.
Yeah,
we love you. Bye. And stay safe.
Stay safe.